guys. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Today we're going to do lesson 12. And so you're going to need a blank piece of paper and a pencil. You're also going to need worksheet 12.1 that went home in your work packet. Looks like this. It has a front and a back. And you're going to need worksheet 12.2, which is Seth's mom. So pull out those two and pull out a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through some sounds. I have some flashcards here. I'm going to hold up the sound. I want you to go through, rattle it off as quickly as you can. Okay? Then we're going to count some sounds and words. We're going to do a bunch of dictation today where I write a word, you copy it. We're going to change one sound. You're going to copy that word, and then I want you to send me a video of you telling me what those words are. Okay? So lots to do today, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to hold up the sound cards. I want you to tell me what it says. And you can record this part and send it to me too. Or you can just turn and talk with a partner at your house and tell them the sounds that you see. Okay? I'm going to try not to go too fast. All right, I'm sure some of you got all of those words. Everybody kiss your brain because that was tough work that you just did. So now we're going to count some sounds and words. So I need you to put up your piano fingers. Okay? Remember, we always start with our pinky because it's on the left and we read left to right. So we're going to count left to right. Okay? And the first word is drips. D-R-I-P-S. How many sounds do you have? Does your hand match my hand? I'm going to do the next one, but I'm not going to say the sounds. I'm just going to give you the word, and then I'm going to do my counting. I'm not going to say the sounds. Soft. Did you get the same thing? If you did, kiss your brain. Split. Traps. Brings. Remember that ng is one sound. It's two letters that work together to make one sound. That's called a digraph. Stamp. Should have 5. Thrill. 4. Trash. 4 again. Bench. 4 again. Things. That one is also 4. Th is one sound and ng is one sound. That one was tricky. All right. Here is when we're going to do a bunch of our dictation. Okay, so I'm going to write some words on my board here, which I think everybody can see. I'm going to turn it this way, just a little bit. And I want you to write the same word that I write, okay? All right. Can everybody see that? What does that word say? B-a-n-ch. Remember, this is one sound because it's a digraph. It's two letters that work together to make one sound. B-a-n-ch. Bunch. If that says bunch, what will it say if I change this to this? Remember what sound this letter makes. And then put it with ch. Put it together. Write it down. Tell me what it says. Now we're going to change this sound again. We're changing the to oh. Now what does that word say? I wonder. Change it on your paper. Tell me what it says. So you should have 3 words on your paper right now. We're going to change O to P. Now what does that say? Write it down. Tell me what it says. We're going to change our P to So right now you should have 5 words on your paper that all say ch at the end, and they have the sounds at the beginning are changing. Okay? Now I'm going to do something a little tricky. So you have munch. We're just going to take out this sound right here. So it should look like this. Now what does it say? It doesn't say munch anymore. It says something else. Write it down and tell me what it says. All right, now we're going to change one part of our digraph. We had a C, now we're going to make it an S. Remember what this digraph says. And now put this on the beginning. Sh. Put it together. Sh. Now you're going to change your to Now what does that word say? Sh. What does it say? Put it together. Okay, now we're changing our digraph entirely for this last word. So, the beginning stays the same. The ending is going to change to this digraph. Remember, it's always at the end of a word. So what does it say now? Ng. What does that say when you put it together? Write it down. Tell me what it says. What I want you guys to do is after you've written all of these words, I want you to send me a video of you saying all of them. Okay? We're going to move on to another set of words to write and say. Okay? And this is the first one. These ones are a little bit easier. What does that say? G. Put it together. Okay? Now I'm going to change my ending sound. So I'm not going to touch the rest of my word. Just going to change the ending sound. And I'm going to change it to a digraph. There's my digraph. S and H are working together. What does it say now? If you remember what those two beginning sounds say, then you're just going to change your ending sound. Now we're going to change our middle sound. We're going to change to So now what do we have? Now what does it say? These are getting trickier. Now we're going to change the beginning sound of our word. We have sh. We're going to put a s on the beginning. What do we have now? Sh. Now we're going to change s to k. Write it, say it. Tell me what it says. Now I'm going to change one sound. I'm going to make this sound disappear. Now what do I have? Write it, tell me what it says. Okay, now I'm going to add this to the beginning. Now what does it say? If we add the b, what do we have now? Write it, say it. Well, now we're getting tricky here. We're going to change this digraph, but we're only going to need to change one letter of it. We're changing it from sh to this digraph. Now what does it say? B, a, f. If I put that together, what word do I have? Write it, say it. Now I'm going to change my b to p. Now what's my word? Write it, say it. And one more time, I'm going to change that beginning sound. From p to a, f. Put that together. What does it say? All right. So now you should have two sets of words that you wrote on your paper. And now we're going to have a third set. So here's set number 3. And what I want you to do for this one is I want you to underline the beginning of your word. Okay? So the sound that's at the beginning of your word, I want you to underline it. The first sound you hear. Okay? So this is our word. It has a digraph in it. It says ng. So what word is that? And you're going to underline that beginning sound for me. Okay. Okay, we're going to change our word now. We're going to change to Write it, underline your beginning sound. I'm not going to do it. I want you to do it. Okay? Now, I'm changing one sound in my word. I'm changing this sound. So it doesn't say ng anymore. What does it say? Write it, underline the beginning sound. In some of these words, the beginning sound might be actually 2 letters if it starts with a digraph. So think about that. Okay, we're going to change this word to this word. Again, underline your beginning sound in your word, the first sound you hear. And if you need to chop it to figure out what that is, do it. Okay, now we're going to change one sound in our word. We're going to change our n to p. Now what word do we have? Write it, say it, underline your beginning sound, the first sound you hear. All right, now we're going to change our T to this digraph. Now what does our word say? Underline your beginning sound. Write it, say it, underline your beginning sound. Now we're going to change another sound in our word, and it's the P sound. We're going to change P to T. Now what does our word say? What's our beginning sound? Underline it. And we're going to add a little tiny sound at the... Now what does our word say? What's our beginning sound? Underline it on your paper. Okay, now we're going to add a teeny tiny sound into our word. Now what does our word say? Well, where's that beginning sound? Can you underline it on your paper? And we're going to alter our word very small. We're just going to drop this sound. And now what does our word say? Write it, say it, underline your beginning sound. Okay? The first sound that you hear. The first sound. Okay. So you should have 3 sets of words written on your paper. One of them should have your first sounds in your words underlined. Okay? I want you to snap a picture of all those words that you just wrote. And I want you to send it to me either on this link or on the dojo. Okay? And then I want you to send me a video of you reading all those words. Read the first set. Read the second set, read the third set. When you read the third set, go back and tell me what that beginning sound is in your word. You have it underlined, okay? Read the word, tell me the beginning sound. So picture of your writing and a video of you reading all of those words that we just wrote. Okay. So now is when we're going to move on to worksheet 12.1. It looks like this. There's a word box at the top, and there's some pictures on it. And what we're going to do is we are going to read the first word, okay? So read that first word, sh-ed, shed. And you're going to find the picture of the shed, and you're going to write your word, okay? I'm not going to do all of these with you because I want you to do them and take a picture of your paper and send it to me. Okay? So, there's a word box on the front that goes with the front. There is a word box on the back that goes with the back. Okay? So, the box back here only goes with these pictures. And the box on the front only goes with those pictures. I want you to read the word, okay? Find the picture it matches and write it. Snap a picture of the front, snap a picture of the back, send it to me, okay? Then I want you to get out worksheet 12.2. It went home in your packets, okay? And I'm going to put these really close. This is 12.1. Says 12.1 up in the left-hand corner. And this one is 12.2. It says 12.2 up in the left-hand corner, or it says Seth's mom. We have read this before, okay? And we're going to read it again. But what I want you to, I'm not going to read it. I want you to send me a video of you reading Seth's mom. Okay? Before, when we read this, we answered some questions about it. Okay? I'm not going to have you do that today. I just want you to send me a video of you reading Seth's mom. In the video, remember, if you have to sound out a word, it's, go back to the beginning and then blend it together. Because we don't read like this, okay? This, is, pat, pat. This is pat, okay? you always go back to the beginning and blend it together, okay? So the 3 things you're going to send me are a picture of your writing of all the words that we just chained, okay? You're going to send me a video of you reading all those words. You're going to send me a picture of 12.1 front and back when it's completed. And you're going to send me a video of you reading me 12.2 or Seth's mom. It is a front and back story, okay? So that's what you're going to send me for today's video. All right? Have a great day, guys. Bye.